The Rheem Gladiator water heater offers advanced smart features, but users commonly experience several specific problems that can be addressed with quick fixes. The most common issue is false leak detection alarms. The sensor can be overly sensitive, triggering shutdowns when there's no actual leak present. To fix this, first check for actual moisture, clean the sensor area, and adjust sensitivity through the app if possible. Never completely disable the leak detection as it provides important protection. When there's no hot water, the issue typically involves the power supply, heating elements, or thermostat. These are the main components that heat your water. Start by resetting the circuit breaker, checking thermostat temperature settings, and testing the heating element. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact a professional. Insufficient hot water and noisy operation often result from sediment buildup in the tank. This reduces efficiency and creates rumbling sounds during heating cycles. The solution involves flushing the tank to remove sediment, replacing corroded anode rods, and ensuring proper thermostat settings. Regular maintenance prevents these issues. Most Rheem Gladiator problems can be resolved with basic troubleshooting. Always check the simple things first, maintain your unit regularly, and consult your manual for model-specific guidance.